Hey guys, welcome to my channel! Today I'll be doing a thrift store haul. I went yesterday and I feel like I just hit the jackpot. Not even kidding. I was just so excited when I left. Here's a bag of the things that I got. And yeah, I'm ready to get started. Make sure you like this video, comment. Let me know what you want to see next. Subscribe, because, I'm going to be uploading a whole lot more. So please subscribe to my channel. If you don't, that's fine. Like, I don't care. I do care though. Low key, I care. All right. So I'm going to start off with the very first item. It's these. These are biker shorts. I think these are so cute. They're Champion, actually. And they were $2.99. Oh wait, $2.99? They were $1. They were $1. They were $1. I can't believe these were $1. That's why I love thrifting, because everything you get is literally just a great price. And it doesn't even compare to what's actually online. Like, seriously. And they're unique items. Okay, on to the next. Next thing I got was this bodysuit. It's so cute. I've been looking for something like this for so long. And oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I think it was like $2.99 or something, because there wasn't originally a price on it. She gave it to me for $2.99, I believe. Let me pull out the receipt. Yeah. I don't know. This doesn't even make sense. Okay, next item that I got, it's a dress. It's more of like a slip-on silk kind of dress, the ones that are very sexy, if you know what I mean. That's all I'm gonna say. Anyways, this is the dress. It's like lace up at the top and then lace at the bottom as well. But it's so cute. And this dress was $3.99. All the yellow tags at this specific thrift store were half off. And I thought everything that day was half off. That was my mistake, but I ended up getting most of the things that I picked out because I thought everything was on sale. The next item that I got is just this plain white t-shirt. It says Happy Valley. I feel like, I'm just always like a happy valley kind of girl. I don't live in the valley or anything like that. I don't know why I even said that. But I just like the word happy and valley together. And the fact that it's a white t-shirt. I don't even own a white, big, oversized t-shirt. Yeah, I like the print on it. I think it's so cute. I don't know, I'm just excited for it. And this one was $2.99. So the next item I got, I really mainly got, I don't know, there's two reasons why I got this. The color, first of all, is just like, oh my gosh. Pink is my favorite color, so I don't know, it's not even pink, but I got this for $2. And I'm actually gonna end up cutting this into a crop top because I love the straps on this. I feel like my hair looks crazy, as always. The straps, like I said, they look amazing. The next item I got, which is actually my favorite item that I got of all things, because I just didn't expect it to come out as well as it did and fit me the way that it does. And I'm so happy that I went to the thrift store that day. Like, you guys don't understand. Woo! Okay, so I got these like legging type pants. They're so cute and they fit amazing on me. And then the detail especially, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up on it, but it's like this kind of like rigid kind of material. It's different kind of material. It's just different. They're more jegging kind of jeans and they're high waist. And they're high waisted. And they're high waisted. Goodness. It was so perfect. Literally so perfect. All right, next item. This item, it's like boyish. It's very boyish, but it's this t-shirt that I got, and it's like a little button up here. I got this for $1 because this is a yellow tag, and all yellow tags were 50% off. So I got this shirt for $1. It's like green, hunter green with orange-ish, tan-ish stripes on it. But it's so cute. I don't know. So cute. The next thing I got is a sports bra. And this one is a Champion one. And I got it for $2. The next thing I got is this dress. You know, the little black dress that every girl needs to have in their closet. And if you don't, make sure you get one after this video because you absolutely need it, especially like for a date night, or you know, you just want to go out, look cute and whatever. But you know, okay, so this is the dress. It's very, very simple, but I felt like it fits so well on me. I already have so many black dresses that I don't know, like I don't really care for that, but I do at the same time. And by the way, this was $3.99. And then the last item, oh my gosh, no! The last item that I got was this denim jacket looking. It's like a shirt. It's like a button-up shirt, and it's by Levi jeans. It's by Levi. I can't believe it. Can't believe it. And it was $5. But this is it. So cute. I think I might just end up DIYing this jacket because I want the bottom to be like distressed. I don't know yet, but that's everything I got, you guys. And I'm so excited. Literally, like, I feel like because I haven't been shopping in so long, right now I'm kind of going through a struggle in my life where like I'm not making as much money as I want. And yeah, it's affecting me in a major way because I like to look cute, I like to go out, I just love to just like express myself through my clothing. And I'm not able to do that because I'm wearing the same thing all the time. Like all the time. And it's so annoying. So that's why I love the thrift store, because not only do I find vintage items, but they're cute and cheap at the same time. So I don't know. Yeah. So I just hope that you guys really enjoyed watching and like seeing the things that I got from the thrift, because I enjoyed purchasing them and showing them to you guys, because I don't know, like it's just, I don't know, it's fun to me. It's fun. I literally don't know how else to explain it. If you want to see like how I style these clothes, let me know in the comments below and I'll do a video on that. Anyways, yeah, I hope you enjoyed and I'll just see you guys next time. Bye.